TwitchCon is for those with motion, or those who are the fans of those with motion. If you're not a fan or a highly recognizable streamer, can you still enjoy TwitchCon as a nobody? This year I decided to test it out for myself. Welcome to the greatest show on stream, featuring... Okay, so it's TwitchCon 2025 was going to be the first convention for me, and after 4 years of streaming on Twitch, I've had some motion. I've tried to grow through different platforms such as TikTok, but it's hard out there for an affiliated streamer. So I was curious, will it be just as hard as an affiliated streamer out there on the internet world in person? My wonderful mother followed me to San Diego to track me with an Uber.
San Diego Convention Center?
So it's 9:15 right now. I'm waiting for my Uber to take me to the convention. There is a protest going on that's kind of in between the hotel and the convention site. So I don't know how that's going to work out. Like there might be delays and everything. I'm trying to get there early though, so... The Uber dropped me off pretty far away from the actual entrance, so I followed the guy with the anime shirt, hoping that was my best bet. In line to the actual convention, I had these two gooners behind me discussing camera angles, which was not a good first impression. How does it work?
Well, basically, we only have to guess your personality.
Okay.
This is your grind.
Oh.
I'm not sure if it's true.
I don't think. Maybe.
Initial design you want.
Pick anyone?
Yep.
Oh, cool. Oh, cute. This one's cute.
What size?
Maybe small. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. There were so many free things to get at the convention, which for some reason I wasn't expecting. They were giving out these free pins. I was gonna settle on a lurker pin, but you know, I'm a streamer.
Ready for it?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it. Not bad, not bad. 3,
2, 1. Oh, it's steaming. Yay! Oh, it looks so cute. Thank you. I wasn't really sure what to expect going to the convention alone. I was worried, but everyone was super nice and they even pulled me to get my hair done. Before coming to the convention, I was overthinking everything, so I reached out to a friend who had been there the previous day for some advice. Oh, a photo?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Are you a streamer?
I'm a streamer, yeah.
That's cool.
Just affiliate, yeah.
That's cool, nice.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now I know what you're thinking, or at least what my mom's thinking, and that's don't talk to strangers, especially if they tell you you look like a model. But I wanted to get out of my comfort zone a little bit. I was by myself and this bear was super cute. I really wanted a photo with it.
Yeah, we have to wait for the VTuber.
I was super nervous, but I'm actually really happy with how the photos turned out, and it was a nice friendly interaction that I'll not have a memory of. For the rest of the convention, I had so much time to do shopping by myself because no one had to wait around for me, so I got the cutest little items. And I got too many items because I took 10 minutes sorting all of the things that I got, and I was carrying around so many bags with me. I was sorting all my things by myself at this table and like looking around and realizing that the crowds had kind of gotten worse, and there was lots of people here with all of their friends, and I started to think, what am I doing here, right? I mean, I got lots of things, but like I'm in a new country, and it was very weird. I felt like I was in a new university or high school for the first time, but I am glad to tell you that everything shifted.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even see you.
This is my friend Bloom of like 5 years, and it was his birthday today, so happy birthday, Bloom. He got us exclusive seats in the GeoGuessr section of Twitch Rivals, which was, I felt like I didn't belong there, guys, oh my gosh. But I'm gonna just let the rest of the clips play because I got to meet lots of people and it was great.
Hey guys! It's the new...
was sick. Runs like at Minecraft on Twitter and Twitch and stuff, and he was here, so he just got us like 3 hoodies.
You got free one?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it was actually crazy.
That's a skibidi toilet?
Ride it like a zombie can ride it, and it'll have the spear.
Oh, so it can joust. A jousting zombie. That's cool. Let me pretend I'm someone you never met.
Yay! Yay! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Good. Yay!
Oh my gosh, the flash is on. Stickers?
Yeah, you can choose from any of these. Or
Oh, okay.
take more than one.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Ready?
Yeah, ready?
Bang.
Stream decks.
These are actually pretty cute. Thank you. Oh, so cute.
Yes. So we do have 3 shift events coming up, and we're going to provide all those updates.
Oh my god.
The next one is in December. The December 31st.
What is it? Oh, wait, is it a frog or a crocodile?
Wait.
Alligator? It's a lizard.
What is this?
I don't know what this is.
It could be anything squished. How do I open it? Hello. This gotta be an alligator, right?
Yeah, that's an alligator.
Little guy.
Oh, cute. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Wait.
Yay.
W.
Cute. Oh. Oh, it's lava.
Oh, there's lava chasing me?
No.
I didn't know about that.
There you go.
I'm getting amazed.
I did this guy's too. That's me right there. But
That was not actually them, was it?
no, they're not even here. We're just
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Oh, really?
So of course I spent majority of TwitchCon going to more free booths and getting more free things. But most importantly, at the end of the night, when I was about to leave, I ran into someone from the community. So shout out Edog for saying hi. You actually made my night. Also shout out everyone else that I got to meet on this day. I'm not gonna name everyone because I know I will forget someone's name, but you know who you are if you're watching this video.
Oh, everyone's writing is so nice.
What's up, bro? Good? Chilling.
Oh my god. I didn't see him there.
Do you have it? Do you have it? Are you streaming? Yeah. Where is it?
Oh shit.
What's up, bro? What's going on, guys? What's up, bro?
There's two.
I don't know. Do you like get up? I don't know. Do you like get up to piss? Like what? Yeah, is that like the classic? Oh, okay, yeah. That's fair.
Yeah. And I'm not, it's nothing big. There's nothing.
Thank you.
Nothing fancy.
Wait, are you guys streaming? Yeah, I'm streaming this. This is the best stream idea ever.
It's bush campers.
Yeah, the bush campers were there.
That's so funny.
And then there was Office Drummer. Office Drummer.
Office drummer.
Yeah, he's the guy who drums for Kai Cenat on his Mafia-thons.
Oh, that's cool.
Right there.
That's it?
Yeah, right
Oh,
there.
no way.
You
That's
can
it.
show him if you want to.
I think it's an AI off.
AI?
Yeah, I have no idea.
I think it's real.
I had an amazing TwitchCon, but I do think you have to do it as a nobody with people. I'm glad I stuck it through to find out, and I probably will be back next year depending on how, certain issues go with security and stuff, but
This became less about TwitchCon and more about stepping out of my own comfort zone, going to a new country and a huge event by myself. I'd love to do more traveling and more events like this in the future. I don't know if I will. Right now, as of editing, I really just want to focus on streaming and creating more videos, so we'll see how that all goes. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. A ton load. Does that make sense? A ton load? A load of a ton? Okay, have a good day. Bye-bye.